Dean.
How you doing?
What's your favorite tool in your toolbox?
I have my phone right now. That's gotta be the greatest.
Hey Chris, what's your favorite tool in your toolbox?
Definitely my Snap-on FlexEd Mini Stubby FKF80 ratchets.
Hey Dale, what's your favorite tool in your toolbox?
Well, my favorite tool in my toolbox isn't here right now, but it's my big red hammer. But I do have my little red hammer. Works just as good.
Hey Jordan, what's your favorite tool in your toolbox?
I really like my Snap-on wire pass-throughs because I didn't have them for the longest time, and now I do. It makes life easy.
Awesome. Hey Zane, what's your favorite tool in your toolbox?
Oh, it's gotta be batteries.
Chris, what's your favorite tool in your toolbox?
My Fusion Squeegee.
Hey Nadim,
Hi.
what's your favorite tool in your toolbox?
It's not in my toolbox, it stays in my pocket. It's a pocket screwdriver, pry bar.